Hello everybody, welcome to J Fashion Academy. And today I will be showing you guys how to cut a sleeve. This sleeve is for blouse. What I mean by blouse is as a female shirt. So you see I folded it into two. That's for the two hand. That's for the left and right. You see this is one and this is a two. So I'll fold it into four. I'll fold it into four. Here, like this, I folded it into two. Like this, fold it into four. So let's check it together. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you see. So now, what you're going to do next is you are going to check the side that has opening. Are you getting me? So you see here, you see, this is opening. You understand? Why this one is not opening? Because I just folded the material into four. I did not divide it. That's why you see this one is not is joined. Hope you are getting me. So now, so it's this side that is opening is going to be, that's the down side, while this side, you see, this side is not open. There's no slit here. There's no cut it. So this one is the upper part. So you are going to turn it like this. Going to turn it like this. This is the down side. So you are going to take your measuring tape. So here at the down part, I normally took out 2 inches. You see? So I'm gonna make a curve. As you can see, I make a curve straight. See, with this upper part, I'll make a curve straight. So the hand is just a pencil hand, not a balloon hand. So the length of the sleeve is 12, but I made it 13 inches. Made 13 inches for sewing allowance and every other thing. So our sewer is going to arrive at the 12 inches. So I added another 1 inch. So half inch will go for the joining and half inch will go for the lining. After you're done that, then you come down here. That's where the hand will come out. We're going to measure 7 inches. That's the round of the hand. When you see 7 times 2, 7 times 2, that's 14. The round hand is 14. So I measure 7. And the armhole I measure in the shirt is 9. So here, this is my 9. I'll just put it here, the 9, and I'll mark. After I mark, then I'm going to trace this 7 to meet the 9. You see? So after that, I'm going to add 2.5 inches for the allowance. Altogether, 2.5 inch. In case that person add up, they can open it and increase it. So now, first I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut it. You can see. Not here. This one is a real measurement. This we are going to cut it in the allowance that we give. So you see, this is how to cut your sleeve. This is a short sleeve, not a long sleeve. This is a short sleeve. So here that is little bit curve is the armhole. That's where it will enter the armhole of the shirt. While this straight, the one at the outside, that's here. Here we measure 7 into 2 is 14. So that's the round hand. Here is 14. And the armhole is 9. So 9 into 2 to give you 18. So the armhole altogether is 18. So after that, then going to mark this. I'm making sign of the wrong side. Are you getting me? So that I will not make mistake. I'll also open it. Here also is the wrong side. Wrong side, wrong side. So we have this one will be for the left hand. You see, and this one will be for the right hand. So this is how to cut your sleeve. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I do a video, I do a tutorial, will be notified. Thank you, thank you, thank you for staying and watching my video. God bless you.